Okay, so we have tournament report from 23 and 24 February 2024. We start with this Surveillance with Ostinato. I think it is a standard build, and almost every Pendulum deck Ragnar played Ostinato. But for Supreme King deck, there are two builds. It's I think three builds. First is Dark build, second is standard build, third one is with Ostinato. And you can play whatever you want, it depends with your preference. Next, Rescue S with 3 impulse, and because of this 3 impulse, he don't play any underhand trap, then only 3S and 3 maxi. And Fire Attacker in side deck, I think you can use it when you go in second and give you free draw. Phantasma is another a free draw. Next, Branded with Shuttle Fusion, 1 Shuttle Fusion. Next, Flow. Next, Branded. Snake Eye with 2 field spell. Another Snake Eye. Okay, so if you wonder why he only play Nighting Angel and don't play Zeus, it's because it is for 10 by Dragon matchup, so you can make Nighting Angel and base, or you can play around maxi when you go in first. You can end up with Nighting Angel, so next turn your opponent is cannot OTK you. Branded. Next, it is a Snake Eye Horus plus Evil Engine. Okay, so this one is interesting because he don't play Bonfire, so I think he is focused on this Evil maybe. Yeah, this is interesting actually. Focus on Horus. Next, Stand by Dragon with Kaiser Colosseum in main deck. Snake Eye. Snake Eye. Another Snake Eye. Snake Eye is one of the best deck right now because of new this Snake Eye Diablo Star card. Next is Stand by Dragon with Droplet in main deck, and also he played Shifter inside deck. So it means your Valor Ghost and Gosokri is alive in main deck. Because of if you main deck Shifter, you cannot use Gosokri or Valor. Stand by Dragon with Kaiser Colosseum. Silent Force. Super Heavy Samurai with Protoss plus Horus, Violence, Snake Eye. Next, 10 by Dragon. 10 by Dragon with Pot of Desire. Also Impulse inside deck. Melodius, Adaman, Fire King, Tenpai. Okay, so I'm not sure what is the best target for shooting Riser in here. I think it helped him to synchro in opponent turn maybe. So let's say you can send level 3 or 4, and you normal or spell summon another level 3 or 4 from your hand, and in opponent turn you can summon Black Rose. Mikanko, Next, Tenpai, Snake Eye with Castira Unicorn in main deck. Yeah, Unicorn is just 4 extender. Violence, and then Tenpai with Impulse in set deck. This one is from before. Tenpai. Next, Deno, Unchained, Dragonity, Sky Striker, Tenpai with Ultimaya. When you going first, you can make Ultimaya, and 3 head of Wave, and 2 Burning Draw. Necro Valley when you going first. Dimensional Barrier is when you going first too. Next, Silent Force, Noid with Cells Bands, Fire King, Red Dragon Aquin with Caster Colosseum. Next, Dino, and then we have Unchained, Fire King, Snake Eye, then we have Super Heavy Samurai. Next, Labyrinth, Snake Eye, Fire King, Silent Force. Then we have Red Dragon Aquin, Snake Eye. I believe it is purely, and he can take Rivalry and 3 Upstart Goblin. I think the reason for this Upstart Goblin and 2 Chicken Game interesting. Because he played Chicken Game, he can play set rotation. I think the reason behind of this Upstart Goblin is because no one played Troll anymore in main deck. I mean, so that's why he played Upstart. Melodius, Infernoid, Tenpai Dragon, Tenpai Dragon, Snake Eye, Melodius, Rescue S, Melodius, Tenpai Dragon. Then we have Lex 1, 60 cards, and he played Necro Valley. Red Dragon Aquin, Lex 1, plus Mini Engine of Dragon, I think, of Highlands, with Side Lock. Then Tritron, 60 cards. Infernoid with Unchained, Fire King, Illusion, Chimera I mean, Snake Eye, Flow, Snake Eye, Snake Eye, Chimera, then we have Melodius, Rescue S, Fire King, Branded, Flow, Tenpai Dragon, Ataman, 10 by Dragon, Rescue S with 3 impulse, and he played Fire Engine and Fire Taker too. Centurion plus Snake Eye. Ignister, Fire King, Ritual Piece, Snake Eye, Lex 1 plus Tear, so I think it is Tear. Lex 1 with Tear Engine. Silent Force with 3 Dynamundo. Silent Force. Adaman. Cyber Dragon. Silent Force. And I think that's it. It is from 24. So see you on the next one. Next we have Magician. 10 by Dragon, Snake Eye, Sky Striker with Kaiser Colosseum, Snake Eye with 2 field spell, then we have Noid, Runic Stun, Purely, Val Monica with 3 Extravagance, this Pendulum deck, 10 by Dragon, Snake Eye, 10 by Dragon, Silent Force. Silent Force is like 4th best deck. Dragon Link. Okay, so this Dragon Link play Gold Shark. Interesting. Snake Eye, Branded, Fire King. Then we have Snake Eye with 3 Populus. Interesting. For consistency, I believe. Play 3 Populus. And played 2 SP. Interesting too. Rumple Tafel, I believe, in set deck. Next, Fire King with Kaiser Colosseum, Snake Eye, Ritual Piece, 10 by Dragon with 3 Ghost Spell, and next, Snake Eye, 10 by Dragon, Fire King. Then second place, Silent Force, Snake Eye, Magician with Jack Quill. Then we have Fire King with Kaiser Colosseum. Okay, interesting. This one is similar like Protoss, but I forgot this card name. Plus Nemesis is interesting. Fire King, Rescue S, I mean Silent Force with Dogma. Fire King, Luna, or maybe it called Ultimate, I think. Tenpai Dragon. Then another Tenpai Dragon. Next, Melodius. Next, it is Runic. Magician. Runic. Ataman. Tenpai Dragon with 3 Trash. Ritual Piece. Runic. Tenpai Dragon with Mantaking Retailing Sea. Noid with 3 Kosokre. Fire King. Fire King. Fire King with Retailing Sea inside deck. Manatium. Centurion Horus. Snake Eye. Fire King. Branded. Flow. Melodius. Ignister. Silent Force. Jubel. Then we have Silent Force. Snake Eye. Tenpai Dragon. Tenpai Dragon. ABC plus Horus and Protoss. Flow. Draco Slayer with Super Heavy Samurai. Tribri. Valmonica. Ritual Piece. Rescue S. Snake Eye. Labyrinth. Unchained. Tenpai Dragon. Okay, so his result is really strong. X0. Interesting. And I don't know why he played this TSF. I forget this card name. This card is card Errata, and you can only use it effect to burn opponent in main phase 1, so you cannot use this effect in main phase 2. Flow. Manatium. Branded. Fire King. And we got Silent Force, then Silent Force. Fire King. Snake Eye with Trample Toffle. He also maintain have two-man control, interesting inside deck. Then we got Branded. Then we got Chimera. Snake Eye. Next is Therion Horus, Melodius, Tenpai Dragon with Battle Feather and three threatening roar. Interesting. Flow, Tenpai Dragon, another Tenpai with Roikiki. Then we got Tenpai Dragon, Fire King, Violence, Mikanko, Labyrinth with Diabel Engine, Flow, Branded, Snake Eye, Noyet. Then we got Tenpai Dragon, Tenpai Dragon, Yubel. Yeah, I think that's it. It is from 25 after this. So see you the next one.